Hey guys, it is Izzy, and in today's video we're going to be talking about WWDC 2021. WWDC stands for Worldwide Developer Conference, and it runs from Monday of this week to Friday, June 11th. This event is built up around Apple products, so this mainly talks about maybe some new news on Apple products coming this year, or it talks about some updates which are coming to the current devices, Apple devices, in 2021. It's been roaming around that they will be announcing a new MacBook Pro. It's not confirmed yet, but it has been roaming around. There's been some rumors around just a new MacBook Pro being announced at the WWDC event, and apparently this new MacBook will consist of a HDMI, SD card reader. I was scrolling through Twitter and I did see a tweet. Apparently they might be talking about new pair of AirPods, which is really nice to see that they're just upgrading or updating the previous version of AirPods, which is nice to see. Especially let's just say the AirPods Pro Max wasn't really let's just say a good investment maybe. I think I might wrap it up there, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video, just me giving you an alert that the WWDC event starts tomorrow and ends on Friday. So definitely hit the like button, please subscribe, that'll be really appreciated. And I would be definitely updating you guys on what I catch in the WWDC event. I would probably be at school when they're playing it, or sleeping maybe, so not too sure when I'll be able to catch a video to watch about the WWDC event, but definitely stay tuned.